In this video, we will discuss about the next application of mole concept, that is the fourth application. According to this application, at STP condition, what is STP here? Standard temperature. What is the value of standard temperature? 0 degrees Celsius, that is equal to 273 Kelvin. Standard pressure, that is equal to 1 atmosphere, that is equal to 760 centimeters of mercury or 760 millimeters of mercury. At STP conditions, 1 mole of any gas occupies 22.4 liters of volume. 22.4 liters of volume. For example, 1 mole of carbon dioxide gas at STP conditions occupies 22.4 liters of volume. Here, 3 problems are there. When we solve these 3 problems, we would like to understand what is the relation between all applications. First, I am explaining the first problem. What is the first problem here? 0.5 moles of CO2 gas is equal to dash grams of CO2, that is equal to dash volume of CO2. So here first we have to consider the 1 mole of CO2, 1 mole of CO2, that is equal to, already we know, 44 grams of CO2, that must be occupies at STP conditions 22.4 liters of volume. 22.4 liters of volume. Right. Now our question is 0.5 moles. 0.5 moles of 5 moles of CO2 is equal to how many grams of CO2? Let it be X grams of CO2. X grams of CO2, that is equal to how much volume of CO2? Means let it be Y volume of CO2. Y volume of CO2. Right. Now first one I am calculating the in terms of mass. In terms of mass means 0.5 moles of CO2 gas is equal to how many grams of CO2? I am taking only these two. Here cross multiply x into 1 is equals to 0.5 into 44, means x is equal to 22 grams. 22 grams of CO2 means here 0.5 moles of CO2 is equal to 22 grams of CO2. Now first question is over. How many grams of CO2 here? 22 grams of CO2 over. Next, how much volume? 1 mole of CO2. 1 mole of CO2 occupies how much liters of volume? 22.4 liters of volume. Now 0.5 moles of CO2 occupies how much liters of volume? Let it be Y liters of volume. Again cross multiply. Y into 1 is equal to 0.5 into 22.4, that is equal to 11.2 liters of volume. Therefore 0.5 moles of CO2, therefore 0.5 moles of CO2 in terms of weight, in terms of grams, 22 grams of CO2, in terms of liters, 11.2 liters of volume. 11.2 liters of volume. This is the in terms of moles, this is in terms of mass, this is in terms of volume. Next problem, Next problem here. Second problem. I am taking second problem. Second problem. Second problem here. 10 grams of hydrogen is equal to dash moles of hydrogen. Dash moles of hydrogen. How much volume of hydrogen? How much volume of hydrogen? See here, first step when we solving these problems, first of all we have to write the basic data. Basic data. What is the basic data? 1 mole of hydrogen molecule is equals to how many grams of hydrogen molecules? How many grams of hydrogen molecules? 2 into 1, 2 grams of hydrogen molecule. This is the basic data. 2 grams of hydrogen molecule. Here 1 mole occupies how much liters of volume? 22.4 liters of volume. 22.4 liters of volume. This is the data. After writing the data, now how to solve this problem? See here, grams. In terms of grams, in terms of bottom of the gram, you have to write 10 grams of hydrogen. Means how many moles? How many moles? Let it be X moles. How much volume? Let it be Y liters of volume. Y liters of volume. See now, I am taking only these two. See here, 1 mole of hydrogen is equal to 2 grams of hydrogen. 2 grams of hydrogen. Now 10 grams of hydrogen. 10 grams of hydrogen is equal to how many moles? X moles. Cross multiply. 2 into X is equal to 10 into 1. X is equal to 10 by 2. You will get 5. See here, 10 grams of hydrogen is equal to how many moles? 5 moles. Means here, therefore 10 grams of H2 is equal to 5 moles of hydrogen. Over. This is over. 10 grams of hydrogen is equal to how many moles of hydrogen? 5 moles of hydrogen. Next what here? How much volume? How much volume occupies 10 grams of hydrogen at STP? At STP. See here. I am taking this. Again I am taking 1 mole of hydrogen. 1 mole of hydrogen, that is equal to 2 grams of hydrogen. 2 grams of hydrogen, that is equal to 22.4 liters of volume at STP. Now taking 10 grams of, now 10 grams of hydrogen is equal to Y liters of volume. Y liters of volume. Cross multiply. Y into 2 is equal to 10 into 22.4. Now Y is equal to 10 into 22.4 by 2, that is equal to 112 liters of volume. Now see here, 10 grams of hydrogen must be equal to 10 grams of hydrogen must be equal to 5 moles of hydrogen. 5 moles of hydrogen that occupies at STP conditions 112 liters of volume. 112 liters of volume. This is the explanation of second problem. This is the explanation of second problem. Next to third problem. Next to third problem. Next to third problem. See here, what is the third problem? Here only. Don't want to write again. 3.011 into 10 to the power of 23 ammonia molecules is equal to how many moles of ammonia, how many grams of ammonia, how much volume of occupies ammonia. See here I am writing basic data again. 1 mole of ammonia is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 ammonia molecules, that is equal to ammonia means what here? 1 nitrogen, 3 hydrogens. 1 nitrogen for 14, 3 hydrogens for 3 into 1, total 17. 17 grams of ammonia. Here already 1 mole of ammonia is gas, no? That's why 22.4 liters of volume. 22.4 liters of volume occupies at STP conditions. Now calculating the first question, what here? These many molecules is equal to how many moles? I am taking these two, first one. 1 mole of ammonia is equals to 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 ammonia molecules. I am writing molecules. How many molecules are given? 3.011 into 10 to the power of 23 ammonia molecules is equal to how many moles of ammonia? Just to cross multiply each other. Now 3.011 into 10 to the power of 23 is equal to x into 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23. Now x is equal to 3.011 into 10 to the power of 23 divided by 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23. These two cancel. We will get 1 by 2. 1 by 2 x is equal 1 by 2. That's why 3.011 into 10 to the power of 23 ammonia molecules is equal to how many moles of ammonia molecules? 1 by 2 or 0.5 moles of ammonia molecules. How many molecules of ammonia? How many moles of ammonia? 1 by 2 moles of ammonia. 1 by 2 moles of ammonia. Next to relation between the molecules and grams. Next relation between molecules and grams. See here, molecules here, grams here. I am taking this one. According to basic data, 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 ammonia molecules is equal to 17 grams of ammonia. Now 3.011 into 10 to the power of 23 ammonia molecules is equal to y grams of ammonia. Cross multiply y into 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 is equal to 17 into 3.011 into 10 to the power of 23. Now y is equal to 17 into 3.011 into 10 to the power of 23 divided by 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23. These two cancel. 1 ja 2 ja. 17 by 2, you will get 8.5 grams of ammonia. Means here 3.011 into 10 to the power of 23 ammonia molecule is equal to 8.5 grams of ammonia. 8.5 grams of ammonia. Now here 8.5 grams of ammonia. 8.5 grams of ammonia. Next to relation molecules and volume. Next relation molecules and volume. Molecules and volume. 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 ammonia molecules is nothing but 1 mole of ammonia occupies at STP conditions. How much liters of volume? 22.4 liters of volume. 22.4 liters of volume. But question 3.011 into 10 to the power of 23 ammonia molecules is equal to Z liters of volume. Again cross multiply 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 into Z is equal to 3.011 into 10 to the power of 23 into 22.4. Now calculating what is the Z value? 3.011 into 10 to the power of 23 into 22.4 divided by 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23. Here 22.4 by 2, you will get 11.2 liters of volume. 11.2 liters of volume. Here what is the value of 11.2 liters of volume? From this we can conclude that 3.011 into 10 to the power of 23 ammonium molecules is equal to half moles or 1 by 2 moles of ammonia, that is equal to 8.5 grams of ammonia, that occupies at STP conditions 11.2 liters of volume. 11.2 liters of volume. Thank you.